The Kaliyadeh Palace is a stunning historical gem located on an island-like setting along the sacred Kshipra River in Ujjain. Built during the Sultanate period and later restored by the Marathas, the palace reflects a beautiful blend of Persian and Indian architectural styles. Its grand arches, intricate carvings, and water channels create a unique and serene atmosphere. Surrounded by flowing river streams on all sides, it feels like a tranquil escape from the city. The sound of water and the open sky add to its timeless charm. Historically, it was a favoured retreat for rulers and even visited by Emperor Akbar. Today, it stands as a peaceful spot for visitors to relax and explore and is in a dilapidated condition. A visit to Kaliyadeh Palace offers a perfect blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty.